Hi, Andrew Schneider here, brand manager of Azimut Yachts. We're at the Pompano Yacht Center here in northern Fort Lauderdale, and we're going to be showing you the new Azimut 55. But what separates the Azimut 55 from previous models and from its competitors? Well, let's take a look. MarineMax boats always come feature rich. Every option that's imaginable we put on the boats. That's been our philosophy, and trying to appeal to the luxury market. So like all of our Flybridge range, obviously a hydraulic platform, good spot, 55 feet, easily handle a 3.3 meter jet tender back here or outboard. Let's go aboard. So in all Flybridge boats, our signature is our aft cockpits and our flying bridge designs. That's what makes the Azimut stand out in the marketplace, and it's always known on the water from the Regini design. The aesthetics and the looks are very much Azimut. So let's take a look at this cockpit and see what makes it so great. Not that it can't be duplicated, but we do this on every Flybridge model. Here we have a great synthetic table we've added to the lineup for 2020. Easy to maintain, red wine, chipping, no issues, and a great look. Goes with our synthetic beta line fabrics. More importantly, in looking at this great C-shaped cockpit, look how it transforms into a simple lounge, a day lounge, for two people to sit and hang, have your arm, and enjoy while the boat's running. Keeping in mind that, again, our flying bridge boat is the Flybridge pan is all the way aft, giving us the maximum amount of protection in the aft cockpit. So definitely a signature of Azimut is this section, this styling, even down to the quality of our folding chairs, aircraft grade aluminum, as well as to our signature tie downs with the Azimut logo. Just another little feature that we do on every MarineMax Azimut yacht. So the 55 is fairly new to the lineup, came out at the 2019. And what separated? Well, the customers, there was a demand for aft cockpits, aft galleys, where the galley is part of your entertaining after area of the cockpit. So here we've executed it. And I can't let you enter the boat without talking a little about the interior design of the boat. It was Achilles Savani. He's designed the majority of our Flybridge range, including our Grandes, up to 35 meters. This is one of two wood selections that he's chosen for the boat. This is what we refer to as the Grand Milano. And from the wood choices to the countertop choices, even to the lamps, they all have a reason, a purpose, and chosen by Achilles. So he's a top AD 100 designer and has done a great job for us. So again, two different woods, different countertops, obviously with someone decorating the boat, different carpets and decor materials such as leathers and fabrics. So again, the feature here on the 55 was the first in our Flybridge range to feature the aft galley, which people had requested, and being able to serve out to the cockpit area. Again, notice the length of that pan, your hardtop, going all the way aft. So what makes a great aft galley boat? Well, it gives us this great salon area, 2 steps up, and now you're in an area which is away from the noise of the docks, and it's private. Obviously a high-low TV built in behind the settee here, but a real social area. Here on this particular boat, we've chosen carpet. Obviously wood could have been chosen, but a soft, warm feel in this salon area. With great visibility, and again, the attention to detail, even to the lamps, just fabulous, just beautiful stuff. So the predecessor of this boat had an up galley. So customer demand said, be mid-50s, go aft galley, and we'll have success, and we've enjoyed good success. Down below, we have a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. Other than the Achilles Savani great design, it's typical of boats of this size, so let's take a look. Obviously what separates Azimut is our fit, our finishes, our choice of fixtures, even the materials in our heads are all top notch. Here we've worked and collaborated again with Raymarine, so all your internal switching, air conditioning and things like that can be adjusted from the lower helm, as well as we feature inline joysticks. Again, Azimut being the leader in that. We're the first to do inline shafts with joysticks years ago. And like all of our boats, fully equipped with stabilization from Seakeeper and all the amenities that we put on. Again, every Azimut from MarineMax is a feature-rich luxury boat. So what really separates an Azimut from competitors? A good part of our investment is design. And as you come through the cabin here, you can see a lot of attention to hardware, drawers, brushed gold touches, beautiful Achilles Savani lamp designed by him. So every area has been thought of real well. This is exactly how the boat came from the factory. Even our TV installation makes a statement. It's just not an afterthought. You can see the gold trim, the mirrored backing, the soundbar, all beautifully done. Even your sconces have a sense of luxury that match the other lighting throughout the boat and have the same design feel. So a lot of thought's gone into the interiors of our boats, obviously. Then that's what separates Azimut from the competitors. So this, as I said, is a Gran Milano interior. So we have some use of some dark finishes. There we go. Of course, safe. But, as I've said many times, what really separates an Azimut is our flying bridge. That's where we win in every size, every model. We do offer the best flying bridges in the market. So let's go up and take a quick look. As we're going up, I can say that you have your traditional port and starboard cabin with twin berths, as well as a obviously centerline queen for your VIPs. Even our video photographer, Kelly, can sense the luxury when you come up and you walk on the carpets and you come up into this great area in the morning where you can enjoy breakfast and the great use of glass. So as in most Azimuts, they're all internal fiberglass pieces where we have the steps built in, giving you additional storage. And we feel a better look than the open. So welcome back here to the Azimut 80. Oh, I'm sorry, the 55. What a great aft deck for 55 feet. Two luxury looking couches designed by Achilles Savani, floating, a sense of luxury with the teak rims. They work great as seats, and they're equally as great exterior lounges for chilling. What a great spot to hang when the boat's underway. This is our Beta line fabric, one of two fabrics we offer on the exteriors. And of course, we've carried the theme of synthetic. No longer the bad word in the design world. It's actually a leading word, and a word that means that we've taken nature and art and just recreated it. I think we call that art too, but this is synthetic stone, and again, it's carried throughout the whole exterior of the boat, keeping maintenance at a minimum, but still giving you luxury and beauty. Wouldn't be an Azimut without a Kenyan grill and your ice maker here, so a little wet bar area. This particular boat has a stand-up refrigerator in the galley as well as a cockpit refrigerator. Taking note, no plastic handles, stainless and frameless hatch. No white frame that will chip or bubble over time. So very clean, very stylish. It's a great look. Again, there's no one in the marketplace that can offer a bridge at this size with this amenities, but also without sacrificing any aesthetics and the beauty of the boat. So one simple note that you might compare when looking at other products, just look at our windshield. This is not a plexi screwed on. This is a plexi that is actually in a frame, a fully stainless steel frame just not screwed to a stanchion. So a little extra cost, but what you expect to find in an Azimut yacht. So, as we mentioned down below, we have full Ray Marine packages, and here we're featuring a bow thruster and stern thruster, as well as joystick control. So ultimate ability to handle the boat properly for a husband-wife team. So again, the Azimut 55 Fly, what separates it from the past? Aft galley, great step up, two-step up to a salon with featuring glass wraparound windows, and of course, a flying bridge second to none in the industry. No one can compete with the Azimut Flybridge. Take a look, compare, and you'll decide. Andrew Schneider from Pompano Yachts. Ciao.